Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat. Sa ngayon po ay nakikita ninyo na lumalabas na ang haring araw. It's a beautiful day today. Mapagpala ang langit at makikita natin, nandito po tayo at the very coast of the Pacific Ocean. At nandito ako for a short vacation with my good friends, Dr. Jenny and Party. At ang napakaganda nito ay I am catching up what Mother Nature can give in an early morning here at Baler. Napakaganda po ng coastline ng Pacific Ocean, and of course we enjoy the stay here at Baler Camp, the most exciting immersion destination in Baler. Thank you for the generosity of Gigi and also the staff that have been so kind to us, taking care of the best food, heritage food of Baler that can be offered to their guests. It has been wonderful since yesterday. We visited the Kaunayan Falls, we went to the Kislit, and also the exciting enjoyment of what Baler can offer. We also visited the shrine of Doña Aurora, and also the former residence of the former First Lady, at the park as itself, and also the Baler Church, where the Seeds of Baler was famous, and it had been in the history of Aurora. It's here again. I'm Armando Hiron for Cebu Kalinangan, catching up with the beautiful, wonderful experience here in Baler. Magandang umaga po sa inyong lahat.